Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw Peppa Pig and her friends. Let's start drawing. First, I draw Peppa Pig starting with her eyes. Then I draw her nose. Draw her cheek under her eyes and a smiling mouth. Then draw 2 ears. I continue with her body. Draw to hands. Her tail. Draw her 2 legs. Next to her, I draw Suzy's sheep, starting with Suzy's face. Draw 2 little ears. Then I draw the body with her tail, her hands, and her 2 legs. Next to Suzy, I draw Pedro pony. He is wearing glasses. Then I draw his nose, his smiling mouth, and his 2 ears like this. Next, I draw his hands and his body. Okay, right here I draw Rebecca Rabbit, starting with 2 cute eyes. Draw her 2 ears like this. She has long ears. Then I draw her body. Next to her, I draw Candy Cat. I draw the cat whiskers. Then I draw Candy's body with 2 hands, a tail, and 2 legs. Finally, I draw a Danny dog, starting with his nose. Then I draw his face with 2 eyes, a nose, and a smiling mouth. Draw her 2 ears. Then I draw his body. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I use red to paint Peppa's dress. Then I color her skin light pink. Now I'm going to use this color to paint Suzy's sheep. Pink. Gray. Then I color Pedro with dark yellow and yellow. For Rebecca, I use pink, sky blue, and cream. Red, sky blue, pink, and dark yellow. puppy dog. I color his suit purple. Light brown. Gray. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.